Hello everyone, welcome to Sons of the Forest. Oh, hello Calvin, I'm going to help you. Yeah, so for everyone who doesn't know what I'm playing currently. This game is called Sons of the Forest and it's the game that comes after the forest. You are trying to find the Puffins, a family, a rich family that's gone missing on this island a few weeks ago. Yeah, you, Calvin, and your team of special forces were trying to rescue them, but you ended up getting shut down and crash landing on this island. No, why? Fuck! I completely wasted it. Please tell me I can. Yeah, thank God. But first order, let's open the kit. Yeah, I know how it works. I've played this game a lot. So, I now have an axe. And I also have some food. Oh, feathers. Feathers are good. I will need those to make arrows. A seagull head. So, let's see what we still... Oh, hello, my friend. That's a pretty interesting place for a stick to go into, but okay, if he likes it. First, I need to get off this beach. And that ASAP. I wish I had gotten a better spawn, but yeah. Beggars can't be choosers. Got blueberries. More sticks, which will be very important. Yeah, I know this spot. There is a cannibal camp near me. Down here is a cave with some mutants in it. Yeah, but I won't be going in there for some time. Because I want to live. And I don't have any good equipment yet. Before I go in, I like to have a gun. And to get the first gun, I have to go all the way up there. Okay, more berries, I'll take that. But first, do I have the materials? No, I don't have the materials to make any. Wait. I have. Wait, where's the rope? Where's the rope? There's my backpack. My knife. And where are the ropes? Okay, I haven't gotten any ropes. Oh no, wait, I need duct tape, not ropes. Yeah, ropes are for... yeah, are for bone... are for bone... yeah, armor, for bone armor. I'll take that. some mushrooms. Some magic mushrooms. Hell yeah. More mushrooms. Down here I can find some cloth. Oh, and rope, good. 2 things I need to make a Molotov cocktail. More stones, more sticks, and more pebbles. Pebbles are important because you need them to make arrows. Spear, you are now 2. I need to get somewhere else. I know a good spot for building a base, but it's gonna take a bit to get there. Yeah, okay, I will do that so the message won't pop up anymore. So, okay, good. Thank you. I have some food, I have some medicine. And most importantly, I have my spear that I can throw. More sticks, I'll take that. Because there's a surprisingly big amount of crafting recipes that require you to have sticks, yeah. Nice raccoon meat. Okay, what the fuck happened here? Oh. A colt. How convenient. You have anything worth looting? No. Then why are you on this island? Just a stupid catalog. Not even a gun. I'm disappointed. Hello there. Oh wait, before I forget it, wait. Bow and arrow. I don't have duct tape. I need duct tape. I have no way of getting duct tape. Yeah. Ooh, nice. Okay, anything? Pebble. Not even a distress signal on this. What the fuck was that? I mean, here is a cave entrance. Am I stupid enough to go in? Hell yeah. I'm definitely going to sell my pants whilst doing that. Please tell me I can... Yeah, okay, I can go back out. Oh, a goon cave. Very nice. Heck no! Wrong direction, wrong direction. Wrong direction, wrong direction. I went the wrong direction. Get me out of here! Help! Don't follow me, you freak of nature! Ugh. I'm not comfortable with being in there. Kevin? You ready for a road trip? Let's go! Oh, fuck off, you ugly ass fish. Please get in. Wrong direction. Sorry to bothering you. I'm gonna go somewhere else. Oh wait. One of those sides. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, just another golf cart. Thanks for the printer. Yeah, thanks for the printing stuff there. I have no idea, my English isn't great, okay? Please don't judge me. Ah, okay, I can dig something up here. Only problem is, I don't have a shovel. Get in! Boah, fuck off! What do you want again? Stop following me! Or I'm gonna drive you over. Yeah, I'm going to drive you over by accident. Okay. A moose! Come here, boy! Come here! Get him! Oh, shit. Now that he's gone. The fuck? Do you have loot? Why are you everywhere on this fucking island, but don't have any loot on you? How does it come? Kelvin, those people are assholes. We're leaving. Lying on an abandoned island and don't having any loot with them. Kelvin, be careful. Damn! My boy got some juice back here! Energy drink. Oh, solar panels. And more energy drink. And more energy drink. Ooh, and I need rope. Another solar panel. More cloth. Shut up, I want your electronics. Ooh, I got some bottles. I got some wire. Die! Duct tape! Duct tape! Yes! Yes! Duct tape! Please, duct tape! Jawohl! We have duct tape! Means it's finally time for a bow and arrow! Here we go! So let's see how many feathers do we have? We have 7. How many do you need for an arrow? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing 1 pebble for arrows. Okay. I know you're messing with me. Okay, no pebbles around here. Okay, I have a night view. But I'm not gonna drive this one. Shut up! I'm trying to record here. Stop screaming around. Okay, I can't use the night view. Okay. Interesting. Kevin, you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, here we go again. Oh, there's someone. Damn it! Let me rescue this person. He's going to die either way, but still. There is loot! And I need loot. Sorry, pal. Oh. Thanks for your MREs. You're still alive? Hello? Get teabagged on. I'm an asshole. Pebble, yes, I can make 4 arrows now. Ramen noodles. The hell? I'm completely honest with you guys. I have never seen ramen noodles in this game. Why are you interrupting me here? And kaboom! How did I miss it? Oh, come on! I want to blow this thing up. You'll survive. For now. Okay, before I go to sleep, I'm gonna make some preparations. Yeah, raw meat. I'm gonna eat some raw meat. Like a remake. Vodka! Oh, to all my Russian boys, Privyet! And now it's a Molotov. Oh no, I only need 2. And now 2 feathers. Oh, I'm missing 1 pebble. Okay, that's... I'm not sure if that works in real life, but... don't try it at home, kids. Or adults. Or whoever's watching this. Most probably my friend. Cat, shout out to you. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to save. Can I sleep? I can. Calvin, please get in. I'm a bit sussed up. Why are you sleeping below my car? But in all seriousness, yeah, here an energy drink. And let's eat the last bit of raw meat. Kelvin? Hello! Wake up! Oh, sorry! I'm so fucking sorry! Sorry, Kelvin! Oh, I'm so fucking sorry! No, no! I'm so sorry! Kelvin, I'm so fucking sorry! I'm regretting, I regret what I've done to you. How I hate cannibals. No, I'm not driving off a cliff. Maybe I will. If this video gets 10 likes, I will drive off a cliff with this cow. So please like the video if you want to see me drive off a cliff. We have to walk the last few meters. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. There's a chopper! Hey, wait for me! Wait for me! Hey, I'm here! Hello! Hello, help me! Help! I got that. Yeah, run, you asshole. Run. Some mutants. Hello. Piss off! Some ammo. Another dead comrade and some mutants. Okay, more solar panels. Oh, I have. Okay, I can't take the satellite dish with me. Sadly. Oh, a camera.
Wakey, wakey. Look at
Someone baking eggs and someone shooting stuff.
another one.
Like your nice neighborhood psychopath. Shanyu, keep an eye out. One of the Puffton's old researchers contacted Timmy LeBlanc, the kid with the mutant arm. He's looking for the cube. Chuck. Okay, the kid from... yeah. From the Forest 1. He's looking for some kind of cube. I know what they're talking about because I have seen a lot of videos about Sons of the Forest, but I won't spoil it. Energy drink, yeah! Kelvin, everything okay with you? The hell? I would also run if someone just puts the head of a deceased person into my face. Oh, run! Run, I have a face! Bro, what's wrong with you? Why are you tweaking? Here, run. Run! Ooh! Yeah. I think with this scared mutant, it's a perfect time to end this video. Wait, no, I have to, first I have to... No, wait, I have to first... Where can I... Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah, wait. Let me cook. So, and with that, I would like to end this episode of Sons of the Forest. If you like to see more, then just write in the comments if you like to see more. And please like the video and subscribe, it would help me and I would really appreciate it. So, till the next time, see ya, bye.